Hello and welcome to the RTE Cockpit May 2020 update video. If you create a new session or edit one, you can now set a date for your PI planning. This helps your teams to see which PI planning session they need to enter. The session that is currently active will also be highlighted. Now you can also configure several Jira link types between sticky notes. We have, of course, made some other minor improvements. As always, let us know how we can support you even better in your PI planning preparation. Thank you very much for watching.